Cool vibrations. Cool vibrations.
The following is being transmitted at the request of the New Hampshire State Police, on behalf of the Canada Lot, Lunar Empirical Department for Critical Affairs. The Lunar Empress, Queen Luna, is currently in the town of Brattleboro seeking out new additions to be considered for a tailgate team led by an equestrian whose identity is currently for intergalactic security reasons being classified. If you want to be considered for this team, or for the few human spots remaining for Luna's team, you are asked to meet her at the Planet Brent gas station located near a half-mile west of Interstate 91 in West Brattleboro. All who show up must be driving a Japanese import car to be considered eligible. Due to the nature of this battle falling under intergalactic combat laws, car import laws are considered not enforced during this wartime effort. As such, if you are interested and have a competitive Japanese import car in mind, show up and the Queen will assist you in acquiring the car you want. Furthermore, to be considered a worthy addition, Luna and our classified partner will be racing all interested parties who show up this Saturday at 10 p.m. The route will be a 40-mile stretch of Vermont State Highway 9 from Bennington, with a standing start at Papa Pete's Home for Giant Pancakes, with a finish line on the far end of the Interstate 91 bridge. All interested parties will be accepted tonight through sunrise, with a last chance meeting tomorrow night until sunrise, at the same spot before the assessment test on Saturday. The Queen eagerly awaits your arrival.